Hey, greetings. I'm so excited. Since 1989, I have been presenting to the National Guild of Hypnotists with honor and integrity of great talks. I have a wonderful talk this year, incorporating wisdom in your hypnosis. So imagine, if you will, you could learn what you've learned in your manual, you could do what you've been certified to do, or you can take the wisdom of what you've accomplished if you've been doing hypnosis 1 year, or 10 years, or 20 years. And like myself, I've been doing hypnosis. This is my 52nd year full-time hypnosis. I would love to spend some time with you at the National Guild of Hypnotists in August and speak to you about what I have learned through my wisdom of hypnosis and share it with you to enhance your success. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.